Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradelle with Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify store, and from here, if you're thinking that you can add an app right here on Shopify by using for the Tradelle app, the truth is it doesn't exist right here. So the only way that you can do this right here is by going into Tradelle.io and the website of Tradelle itself. So from here, what you need to do is register if you don't have an account, or if you already have one, click on login. In my case, I'll just click on get started for free. And from here, I'm just gonna go and continue with my Google account, but you can also continue with Facebook or other methods like name, email, and password. So I'm just gonna click on Google right here and click on my account, and then I should be signed in into Tradelle right here. Now it's signing me in, and here we are. So now welcome to Tradelle, and click continue. And then from here I have my own store, so I have Shopify right here, and I'll just go for drop shipping. And you can have the free trial right here, so you can click on start your free trial. And remember that the plan or a trial right here is essential if you're connecting your Shopify store into Tradelle, because you would need a premium subscription. All right, so the next thing is you want to go click here on fulfillment right here, and then from here you want to click here on connect Shopify, and from here you can click on connect store. And as you can see, it says that you would need to upgrade your plan in order for you to get the full access, and then you'd be able to connect your Shopify store into Tradelle. So this is the only way that you can do this here in Tradelle. So make sure that you have the subscription, and yeah, that is basically it for everything. That is how you connect Shopify to Tradelle. Thank you for watching.